Hey guys, Josh Mom back with a brand new video. Today, I'm going to be unboxing a gaming keyboard that I wanted for a very long time. So today I'm going to unbox it, I'm going to review it for you guys. So let's get started. Alright, so let's start opening this. Oh wow. Look at it. Oh, okay, here it is. It's the Royal Kludge RK61 gaming keyboard. Alright, so we have it by itself. So, I'm so excited. I bought this from Amazon with my own money, and I'm really excited to get this because I've been wanting this for a very long time. Whoa! Oh my god. Yeah, I got it in white too. So the RGB will look like a little better than black. Oh my god. So we have the keyboard itself, we have the manual, we have this. I have no idea what this is. We also have a thing to, like, a quick start book, a paper thing, the USB cable. We also have some switches, extra switches, and a switch puller, a keycap puller. Okay, so let's start with the keyboard. So this is a Royal Kludge RK61 gaming keyboard, mechanical gaming keyboard. It's a 60% gaming keyboard with brown switches. This is wired or wireless. As you can see, when you do wireless, there's like a switch here. There's no kick-up stands, but there are rubber feet, and it comes with a white color or a black color. So let's see what's in here. And these are the brown switches, as you can see. I wanted a 60% for my first mechanical keyboard. Yeah, this is just for my first gaming keyboard. I'm hoping I can use this for a very long time. So yeah, and also, let's try the USB. And this gaming keyboard is a hot swappable gaming keyboard, so you can take out the switches, so you can put different kinds of switches. So let's say you want your WASD to be like blue switches, you can do that. It's through 3 or 5 pin switches. There's also the logo here. Alright, so let's try the wireless feature, or like the lights, the RGB. So you first turn this on, right? So I'm gonna turn it on and let you guys see it. Oh wait. Oh yes. So this is actually pretty bright, to be honest. If you're like in a really dark room, like all your lights are closed, I think this will be really bright. I think there are like 19 different kinds of lights. This is the second one. There's like a lot. See? Alright, so let's have a sound test now. Now, I think this keyboard is very solid. It's a 60% wireless and wired keyboard, which has very bright RGB for its cheap price. And it gives you hot swappable switches, and like it gives you like 3 kinds of switches that you can choose from. I got this for only $58, and this RGB is really bright. Whenever you play at night, it's really bright. And there's also so many features, and it also lets you use arrow keys and other functions on the keyboard, like right here. And also the wireless feature, which is very good for this price. I have not seen any delays when I've been using it. As you can see, I'm using a different shirt because it's a different day from the first part of the video. I was using it for like a week and I saw no delays while using wireless. And also, when I was using the computer, there was no delay whatsoever. The RGB worked so fine, and I really think this keyboard is really good. You guys should go check this keyboard. I'm gonna put a link in the description for the Amazon website for this keyboard. And I really think you should get this keyboard for your first mechanical keyboard if you have never tried one. And this is also really good for modding. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. You enjoyed my review, my typing test, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye.